Okay, so to correct these sentences today, I want to go through a couple of important differences that you're going to want to take notice of. So if you look at number one, it says, after she lies the eggs, the hen sets on them. Now, here's what I want you to focus on. I want you to focus on this word and this word specifically. Obviously, we got to fix some other things, I know. But let's start with lies. Now, here's what they want you to take notice of. So, and I'm going to talk to you about this in person as well. And if I don't, I need you to ask me to. But here is the difference between lay versus lie. So, a human being, if they are tired, they're going to lie down. They're not going to lay down. Even though that sounds okay, technically we are going to lie down. Okay? Now, if I have a pencil in my hand, I can lay the pencil down. So there's the difference between lay versus lie. If I am tired, if you are tired, you will lie down. If we have something in our hand, we can lay it down. Okay? So let's look at the word sets. Very similar. If I am tired, I will sit down, but I can set something down that's in my hand. So if I'm tired, I'm going to sit down. If I have a pencil in my hand, I can set it down. Do you see the difference? Okay, so keep that in mind when you fix this sentence. Number two says, Shauna can run fastest than anyone else I know. Now this word fastest obviously needs to be fixed, okay? This is superlative versus comparative form. When you're comparing yourself or something to all the other things, okay, we handle that differently than we do when we're comparing ourselves to one other person. So obviously Shauna can run fastest. No, we wouldn't say that. So make sure we fix that word. And the other obvious problems. Now we've talked a lot about homophones. There's a homophone issue. Homophones, remember, are words that sound the same, but they should be spelled differently and they mean something different. So keep that in mind too. Okay, number three, it says circle the adjectives in this sentence. Remember, we're focusing on adjectives. Okay, so if you're thinking to yourself, oh, what is an adjective? I can't remember. Well, you have a computer, you can look it up, or you can listen to me now, which I highly advise. An adjective is simply this. I'm going to type it in and see if I type in what you think it is. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So a noun is a person, place, or thing, or idea, and an adjective is a word that describes that noun. So when you look at this sentence, the extraterrestrial had enormous green eyes and long pointed antenna on its slimy head. We got quite a few adjectives in this sentence. So you need to identify them. Number four, write two words that rhyme with heard. That's pretty straightforward. And then number five, circle the word that is spelled correctly. And it says, notice it says circle the word. So there's one word out of those four that is spelled correctly. So choose wisely. Okay.